video, I'm going to cover some tips and techniques for installing TimberTech AZEK decking using the SIDELoc fastening system. We'll go over the benefits of SIDELoc, the tools you'll need, and the installation best practices, including things to watch out for during installation. Let's begin with the benefits of SIDELoc. SIDELoc is perfect for installing all TimberTech AZEK square shoulder boards, including narrow, standard, and wide width. With SIDELoc, no pre-drilling is required because of its sharp point. It's also uniquely engineered to minimize pigtail effects on the sides of the boards. This stainless steel screw is exceptionally strong and will resist shearing, perfect for creating a 1/8 inch gap, unlike competitive fasteners. To get started, here's a list of tools you'll need: a drill, a SIDELoc guide for either standard and wide width boards or narrow width boards, SIDELoc stainless steel fasteners. First, squeeze the lever to widen the teeth. Then, place the guide on the board aligned with the joist. Release the lever to lock the guide in place. Next, place screws into each end of the guide. Then, drill the screws into the board. Finally, compress the lever on the guide to release. With SIDELoc for TimberTech AZEK decking, your customer's new deck will look beautiful for years to come. For more information on installing TimberTech AZEK decking, you can find our full installation guide online.